हेलो एवरीवन, आज हम करेंगे क्लास 8th की जो आपकी इंग्लिश की बुक है उसका चैप्टर नंबर 3 विजडम पेव्स द वे। सो इसकी वर्कशीट हम करने वाले हैं। सबसे पहले आते हैं आपके एमसीक्यूज। वेयर आर द 4 यंग मैन ट्रैवलिंग टू फाइंड वर्क। तो कहाँ जा रहे थे वो? उज्जैन जा रहे थे। रामदत्त, शिवदत्त, हरदत्त एंड देवदत्त आर इंट्रोड्यूस्ड वॉकिंग टू उज्जैन। दे आर ट्रैवलिंग देयर टू लुक फॉर वर्क एंड होप टू फाइंड जॉब्स इन सिटी। वट डज द मर्चेंट अक्यूज द यंग मैन। तो किसके लिए वो उनको अक्यूज़ कर रहा था? स्टीलिंग हिज कैमल, कि उनका कैमल उसने चुराया है। द मर्चेंट अक्यूज देम टू स्टीलिंग हिज कैमल बिकॉज दे शो स्पेसिफिक फीचर्स ऑफ द एनिमल सच एज इट्स लिम्ब and blindness. Those details led him to suspect they are familiar with the camel and therefore its thieves. How does Ramdatt knows the camel is lame? तो कैसे पता चला कि uneven footprints से उसने जब नोटिस किया था तो उस तरह से। Ramdatt observed that 3 footprints are clear while 1 is faint. This uneven pattern shows the animal does not put weight equally on all legs. So he deduced the camel limp on one leg and is therefore lame. What जॉब डज द किंग ऑफर द यंग मैन? तो क्या किया था उन्होंने? एडवाइज़र की जॉब उन्हें दी थी। सो द किंग इज़ इम्प्रेस्ड बाय द यंग मैन्स केयरफुल ऑब्जर्वेशन एंड क्लियर रीजनिंग. बिकॉज ऑफ देयर विजडम ही ऑफर्स देम पोजिशन एज हिज एडवाइज़र सो दे कैन हेल्प हिम मेक डिसीजंस. वट इज़ द मेन थीम ऑफ द स्टोरी? सो क्या है? वैल्यू ऑफ विजडम एंड ऑब्जर्वेशन. So the account emphasizes that careful observation and logical thinking are valuable. The young men used these skills to prove their innocence and gain the king's respect, showing that wisdom and attention to detail matter more than wealth or mere luck. Now the fill in the blank. The 4 young men have been traveling to 10 days to reach Ujjain. Ramdatt confirmed they have been traveling for 10 days, which seemed long as they search for work. The merchant is upset because his camel is missing. So the merchant approaches the young man in distress, asking for help to find his lost camel. Sivdat deduced the camel is blind in his right eye. So Sivdat noticed the camel eat leaves only on the left side, which indicate it is blind in its right eye. The king's court is decorated with rich and draperies and tall pillars. Rich draperies. So the king's court is described as grand, with rich draperies and tall columns that create a regal atmosphere. The king praises the young men for their wisdom after hearing their explanation. So the king is impressed by the young man's logical reasoning and calls them wise, not thieves, when he hears their clear explanation. Now, very short answer type question. What is the name of the city the 4 young men are traveling to? Ujjain. Who runs towards the young man asking for help with a lost animal? So the merchant. Where do the young men stop to discuss the camel track? Beneath a large tree. What does Hardatt notice that suggests the camel has a short tail? Blood droplets. What does the king do after dismissing the merchant accusation? So offer the young man's job as an advisor. Now short answer type questions. Why do the young men want to meet the king of Ujjain? So the young men hope to meet the king because they believe he will recognize their talent and give them jobs. Ramdatt is confident the king will value their skill and judgment. How does Devdutt know the camel has a stomachache? Devdutt noticed that the camel forefeet left deep prints while the hind foot print were faints. From this he inferred that the camel was moving cautiously because it was suffering from stomach pain. Why does the merchant think the young men are thieves? So the merchant thinks they are thieves because they know many details about his camel, such as its limb, blindness, and a short tail, but claim they have not seen it. He concludes only someone familiar with the camel would know these facts. How does the king react to the young man's explanation? So the king is amazed by their logical and careful explanation and praises their wisdom. He rewards them by offering position as his advisor, showing he values their clear thinking. Now, what lesson does the story teach about observation? तो क्या हमें पता चला इसमें? So the careful observation and logical thinking can solve problem and earn respect. The young man's attention to the small details about the camel proves their innocence. इससे उनकी innocence prove हुई and win their प्रेस्टिजियस जॉब्स, और उन्हें साथ में जॉब भी मिल गई थी। तो इसलिए छोटी छोटी चीज़ें, ऑब्जर्वेशन भी बहुत ज़रूरी होती हैं। इसके साथ ही ये वर्कशीट हो जाती है कंप्लीट। कोई डाउट है तो आप बता सकते हैं। दैट्स ऑल फॉर टुडे एंड प्लीज़ लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब। थैंक यू।